Hello and welcome to another session of my coding JavaScript classes. In this video, I am going to be doing the very first item on the syllabus. The syllabus I'm using is Free Code Camp. So let's get to it. So I'm already logged into GitHub, which is the first thing you should be doing. And let's go ahead and go to the website Free Code Camp. This is the syllabus I'll be using for my free live classes. The link is there. If you want to join our classes, you can always try our website. But returning to the main event, so I'm going to log into Free Code Camp. I've already done that. You can see here on the top right corner, and I'm going to go ahead and start. Now this is the syllabus, and now I'm going to do the very first item, which is commenting in JavaScript. Commenting in JavaScript is something which is important for many reasons. One reason I like commenting is because, well, let's go ahead and put that here. Comments. I like comments because one, it is a form of documentation. You can always leave a lot of notes behind for your other developer. Please remember that when you work as a developer, most of the time you will have at least one other person working with you. So it's always a good idea to leave behind some code documentation, and that way you encourage the other developer also to leave behind some code documentation. Another reason why I like to use comments is because a lot of times I'm learning new things as I'm coding. So when I'm experimenting with code, it's nice to not delete the old code, rather leave it in the file in the form of a comment. So that way it doesn't affect the running of the software, but it is always there for you and other developers to check. In a way, it's almost like the evolution of software. So that's another reason why I use comments. So how do you use comments in JavaScript? It's pretty straightforward. So let's say you have, it's something like this. So you use slashes, // this is a comment, and let's say you have a code. You can do something like var some variable. I'm using camel case. I don't know why I said camel sense. Let's say you have a line like this and you don't want it anymore. You could simply go and select it and then do Control/. That's the keyboard shortcut on Windows. On Mac, I believe it is Command/. Another way is you can do multi-line comments like this. This also works. And of course, if you have multiple lines, let's say something like this. Let's say you have multiple lines like this, and you want to comment all of them at once. You can always select all of them and do Control/. Well, that's all there is to it. I think this also finishes this specific test. So I'm going to run the test, and it says that I have passed the test and we can go to the next challenge. So that's all I wanted to discuss in this quick video. My plan is to eventually go through all some 250 plus. I think there are about 200 to 250 chapters in this syllabus. So I plan to make a video on each and every item in the next few months or year and so on. So that's all there is to it about comments. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video, and of course you can always join our free classes at this website. Thank you.